Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have a look at this little camera, which is kind of like a GoPro, but it's a different brand, but it is doing the same thing basically, just without the big brand on that. So as you see, it is easy to charge up, just connect it to everything. Don't get confused that we have like the short video format here today. Our camera did kind of break, but we wanted to bring out some content anyway. So, as you see, we got a decent LCD display, and that's working pretty good so far. Nothing to complain here. On the front part, you can see you've got just your typical layout for your GoPro or your camera in general, and you can just throw that in your case to secure that for whatever sports or activity you're gonna be doing. So let's check that out really quick. So we throw that in here. As you see, it's a decent fit. You just have to make sure it's going on straight because it is like perfect fit. And then we've got the buttons on the side to manage everything in there. And you're just gonna shut this little part here, pull this downwards and then backwards, and then that's sealed and it is waterproofed and secured, and then you're good to go for whatever exercise it is you're doing. And yeah, that's basically what this is all about. And it's a way cheaper model, or price at least, than the original GoPro. And that's gonna be it for today, you guys. My name is Badger. Take care until the next time. Bye bye.